Hello students, this is class 9. We are discussing trigonometry. See the question. Question is, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle in which angle Q is the right angle and angle P is theta degree. Given sin theta is equal to 3/5. Can we find remaining 5 ratios? What are the 5 ratios? Sin theta is 1 ratio, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. For that we need to draw this diagram. As in the given question, this Q is a right angle which we draw and this P is theta degree. Okay. As we know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular, as I already told you, as we considered this theta is an angle opposite to the side. This side opposite to the angle is always perpendicular. So the perpendicular will be 3 and this the highest means longest side, this will be 5. Okay. Now we know that sin theta is equal to 3/5 with this which is given in the question, and we know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to 3/5. It should be okay, 3/5. Now from the Pythagoras theorem we know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. If we put the values in the place of hypotenuse, let's put 5. 5 square is equal to 3 square, which is perpendicular, plus base square. As we do not know the value of base, that will try to find here. Okay. If we transpose this to this side, this will be in minus, so we can write this as base square is equal to 5 square minus 3 square, or we can say that base square is equal to 25 square of this minus 9, or we can say that base square is equal to 16. 25 minus 9 16, or base is equal to root of 16. If we want to remove this square, what we need to take is square root both side. Okay, so this square will remove and this part will have a square root. So from that we can find base is equal to what? 4. Okay, now we have all these things which is perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. As we find base, this is 4. Okay, so cos theta is equal to, from the last classes we know that cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, which means base is what? We just know that base is 4. 4 upon hypotenuse is 5. Okay, the next trigonometric ratio is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay, how I know this? In the last classes we already discussed. Okay, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, which means perpendicular is 3, base is 4, so 3/4. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, just inverse or opposite or reciprocal of tan theta, so 4/3. Sec theta is 1 cos theta, which means hypotenuse upon base, which means 5/4. Okay, and cosec theta is 1 sin theta, which means hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is 5/3. See how we get all the trigonometric ratios if we have one trigonometric ratio, we can actually find all other trigonometric ratio. I will give some questions for you to practice. Thank you for now. Bye.